Is the Malaysian economy rebounding? Now, what we've been seeing in the news so far is this, right? Ringgit has been the second best performer in terms of ringgit versus the USD, right? If you look at our stock market, our index is up 11% in the last 6 months. And JP Morgan says that the Malaysian economy is rebounding and they have moved it from underweight, that means don't invest so much, to neutral, right? So these are all symptoms, but why is the Malaysian economy rebounding? Why are we seeing these symptoms? I think the first one is an external factor, because the expectation is that the Federal Reserve in the US is going to start dropping interest rates this year, following through to next year. Therefore, the USD is expected to weaken against all currencies. So therefore, you're going to see a slight increase, or we've already seen a slight rebound in the Malaysian ringgit. That's the first one. Second one is we've been attracting a lot of foreign direct investments, things like Microsoft, ByteDance, and so on and so forth. And these investments are factored into infrastructure plays as well. The big ones so far that we're hearing a lot are data centers. So there are up to about 80 data centers being built here in Malaysia. That's the third point. I think the fourth point, which is a major catalyst, is Johor Special Economic Zone down south. Now, if you didn't know, actually, Johor is the second largest GDP contributor in Malaysia after the Klang Valley. So there's quite a bit of potential there. And generally, because our politics has seemed quite stable and policies have seemed quite stable right now, we are actually seeing these symptoms, right? And of course, I think the last one is fiscal responsibility, which means that the government is reducing subsidies, or have committed to reducing subsidies. Therefore, the expectation is that government debt or government deficit is going to be smaller. So this is all good news and all good things that has happened so far, and that's why we're seeing these symptoms. Do you agree or disagree? If you still don't know what to do, at EquitiesTracker, our subsidiary also provides fund management services that is licensed by the SC in Malaysia. Now, here are some of our clients' portfolio returns that we've started since last year in August. If you'd like to find out more, PM us and our marketing representatives will be in touch with you to figure out what steps are suitable for you.